Previously.
What?
What? What? What?
What?
What? What? What?
What?
What? What? What?
What?
What?
뭐죠?
What? What?
What?
What? What?
What? What?
It's all polished up now, so took to it with wet and dry. Now I've taken to it with polish and compound, so it's all pretty shiny. Used a drill with just a different type of sponge, a couple of different types. Seemed to work alright, and then used a rag and a bit of elbow grease. Shined up quite nice. With the waxy coat that it leaves, it will actually help. If it does get dirty, you can just wipe it off quite easily. Where before, the paint I never actually did anything with, so you can see a little bit here on the firewall. It's quite filthy from the exhaust, of course. It's sort of as good as you can get it without repainting it completely. So yeah, pretty happy with the result. Went and saw the engine today, which is pretty much all set to go. They're going to do the ring gaps tomorrow and the end float, so the bottom end will basically be together, and I'll just finish it off, put all the bits back on it, the head back on it. Well, actually drop it in first, then put the head back on it, and of course have to put the adapter plate and everything back on. Yeah, slowly piece it back together. Should be good to go. Really now I can actually start putting stuff back on, like the guards and lights and everything like that, which I might do maybe.
It is a great mistake to confuse it with nothing. It is rather to be thought of as space, or like space, because space is not empty. It contains the whole universe. So in the same way, the state of mind of the person who is truly enlightened is not empty. It contains everything.
Bro, these rod bolts, 40 foot-pounds.
Yeah, man.
So what's that, sorry?
So the oil pump in this, the older ones have like a square teeth on the gear that spins around. So they're like real common for braking.
Right.
Especially if you're boosting it or if you're high revving it. So then I think 16 valve red top onwards, apart from like the older massive ones, they have like rounded teeth, so then less likely to break. Hence why I go into the new one.
Right.
Yeah, because the old ones basically just
Better in every way, and newer.
Something you do, not cheap though. It's like 260 bucks.
Mind you, if it's going to make your engine like more reliable.
It's the life of your engine.
Yeah, more reliable, and like isn't oil like a better oil pump is going to be like critical to your turbo car in general, isn't it?
Not this.
Just any car.
Not any concept.
If the oil pump dies,
The whole engine sort of shits itself.
The highest state of consciousness in samadhi
Alright, sweet.
is called nirvikalpa samadhi.
I can go
Which
cook
means literally
you guys some food if you want.
Non-conceptual.
I need to go eat shelves anyway. I should have a break.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same.
Oh, that's so cool. So you can just push the GoPro out of its frame.
We lie, but we know
Yeah.
we can't
That's all the
water
touch
what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
Is that a non-bubble little?
There's no bubble in the one part that I need, but the other two are bubbles. This level that you can fit in my computer.
Oh yeah. Why use ATF on engine parts?
Good cleanliness. I have no idea. It leaves residue. I don't know as well. Cleanliness and residue.
Basically a detergent.
Oh yeah, ATF. I knew that.
No, I just use dishwasher soap.
You know how I know that? You know how I know that? Roadkill.
Yes.
Because when they were building Anton's favourite roadkill car, the General Lee, whatever it was, General Mayhem, they dropped ATF all over their mate's driveway, and they're like, oh no, and then the guy comes out laughing about it, and it was like, don't worry, ATF is mainly a detergent, so we're really cleaning the driveway, so you should really be thanking us.
At least it was worth